Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video we want to show you how to pick eggs in the farm. You heard me right, yes, how to pick eggs in the farm. As you can see, the birds have laid a large quantity of eggs that needs to be picked, so we're just going to show you how we pick up eggs in the poultry farm. So this is, oh my god, are you seeing this? This is what our eggs looks like, fresh from the farm. Now while picking, you sort out, you look out for crack. This one was cracked, that was why I didn't add it among the crates. So don't you just love what you see? Oh, this is so fine. So that's it for today's video. Promise to bring you more tips, more videos of the poultry farm. Thank you and bye.